Hi. So today's session is on to get the count of the number of checkboxes that are selected. So this is the web page we will be using for our experiment or the program. So there's a program that already exists here, which is using the same web page as we are looking at right now. And this is actually getting all the checkboxes as a list. And this line is clicking on the first checkbox. The follow-up line, this one, is clicking on the second checkbox, and again we are clicking on the first checkbox. So this would again clicking would actually deselect the checkbox. So at the end only one checkbox would be selected, and that is the selenium checkbox. So when we go for the count of the checkboxes that are selected now, the count should be 1. So let us try to achieve that programmatically. I'll try to use a for each loop here for web element checkbox, all checkboxes dot is selected. So this is the method which would return when applied on a checkbox whether it is checked or not. So is selected method would return the value as true or false. If a checkbox is selected, this method would return the value as true. So let's go ahead and store it in a variable boolean is checkbox selected equal to this. If true, then I would have to increment a counter kind of a variable. Let's declare a counter variable as well, int equal to 0. If checkbox is selected, counter plus plus, and this loop would happen for each of the checkboxes. If counter equal to 1, so it would mean that there is one checkbox that is selected. You can say just a statement here. I don't think even this is not required. 5 checkboxes are selected, for example, assuming counter value is 5. Let's see what would get displayed here. So I'm quickly running this program. So one checkboxes are selected. So we have to use the method which is called isSelected. So that's the takeaway here. Thank you.